Welcome to Diabetes Every Day. I'm registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist, Toby Smithson. I'm glad you're here because we are going to talk about a nutrient that you may not know you could be deficient in. Here's a couple clues that may familiarize you with the mineral that we're going to talk about today. Have you yourself or have you watched gymnasts when they powder their hands before mounting on the parallel bars? Have you ever wished about getting mag wheels for your car? Or have you ever had milk of magnesia to settle an upset stomach? If yes to any of these prompts, you will know that we are talking about magnesium today. Magnesium is a mineral generally found in abundance in our body. This little mineral has a lot of job responsibilities in keeping our body working well. It is involved with the breakdown of protein, assists with muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. And it plays an important role in building bone. So why are we concerned if we have our magnesium low? Low levels of magnesium are associated with type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that by increasing your intake of magnesium, it can lower your risk for developing type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Low levels are also associated with the formation of calcium plaques in arteries, which is a risk factor for heart attack. Low magnesium is very common in people with diabetes, and the issue is that it may affect the action of insulin in people with type 2 diabetes and lead to more insulin resistance. People with diabetes tend to excrete a lot of magnesium too. How much do you need? The recommended dietary allowance for magnesium is 320 milligrams per day for women, 420 milligrams per day for men. Most Americans do not get enough magnesium. If you are thinking about taking a supplement, check with your doctor first and know that there's an upper limit that has been set at 350 milligrams per day through supplements. But there's a lot of good food sources of magnesium. Dark greens, broccoli, beans of all varieties, almonds, pumpkin seeds, white fish, artichoke, rice, barley, wheat bran, or whole wheat flour. This is good news because there are many delicious food options that are easy to incorporate into your daily eating plan. You can top your morning oatmeal with almonds or use almonds as a low-carb, high-fiber snack. Build a salad made from dark leafy greens and top the salad with steamed or raw broccoli, pumpkin seeds, or almonds. Eat marinated artichokes as a side dish for lunch or dinner. Prepare a chili made with beans or a barley soup that's another high magnesium option. Remember, some foods rich in magnesium are carbohydrates, so we manage our portion sizes of those. If you're not sure which foods are carbohydrate foods, you must have missed watching the series of videos I made for you titled Diabetes and Carbohydrates, posted every few weeks from June through November last year. 8 videos in total. You may want to check those out. Carbohydrates are kind of important. Until next time, cheers to your health.